precious is that? Look how little. Oh my goodness. That's gotta be little Summer. She's the smallest one, and she's hanging out with White Belly. Oh, I'm so happy to see them together. I have got to get a picture. I know this is a video, but I'll get some screenshots. Oh, he's so little. He's so cute. Baby Summer. I haven't come up with a middle name for it yet. I really didn't want to make it Summer Moon, but I might, because she is named after summer. And she was born in the summer. Probably in June, because she's just now starting to come around. I am so proud of this. Y'all see how grateful, how blessed I am. I'm telling you, I am blessed. I feel like I live in a paradise, a magical paradise. These are my babies. These are my pets, and I love them so much. I have really bonded with these deer. And White Belly, she's been pretty much been, yep, that's her baby. White Belly has been pretty much the star of the show this whole time. And now Baby Summer is the star of the show. I wish it would move out from behind it. There it goes. Oh, look at it. She won't let her nurse. I think she's trying to make her learn to eat the corn. I'm glad that they feel safe enough to come here and bring their babies with them. This is a very, very safe place for them to come and bring the babies and have a meal together. And I'm so happy that I can provide that for them. Just so beautiful. I wish they would get out from behind those trees. If I move, that baby will run. She's a runner. I haven't really seen her walk anywhere. She runs everywhere she goes. It's a beautiful day here, nice and breezy. It's just like a perfect weather day.